Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vidhira English. Today's shadowing practice will help you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Read the sentences on the screen and repeat after me. Let's begin.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rahul. I am learning English every day. I want to speak English with confidence. I know that learning a language takes time, so I try to practice every day. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes and get out of bed. First, I drink a glass of water. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go for a short walk. The morning air feels fresh and cool. I enjoy the quiet morning because it gives me positive energy. When I come back home, I do some light exercise. I stretch my body and move my arms and legs. Exercise makes me feel active. It also helps me stay healthy. After exercising, I take a bath and get ready for the day. Then I eat my breakfast. Sometimes I eat fruits. Sometimes I eat bread or poha. I try to eat healthy food because healthy food gives me energy. While eating breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. I am trying to improve my English. English is an important language. Many people around the world speak English. I want to speak English fluently one day. I know that I cannot improve in one day or 1 week. I need patience and regular practice. Every day I learn a few new words. I write them in my notebook. Then I read them again and again. I also try to use those words in sentences. This helps me remember them for a long time. I like listening to English videos. At first, I could not understand many words. I felt nervous and sometimes I felt sad. But I did not stop. I continued practicing. Slowly, I started understanding more sentences. Now I can understand simple conversations. I still make mistakes, but I am not afraid of mistakes anymore. Mistakes are a part of learning. Every learner makes mistakes. If I make a mistake today, I can improve tomorrow. I practice speaking English every day. Sometimes I speak in front of a mirror. Sometimes I record my voice on my phone. Then I listen to my recording carefully. This helps me know my weak areas. I also practice shadowing. I listen to simple English sentences and repeat them immediately. In the beginning, it was difficult. I could not speak at the same speed. My pronunciation was not clear. But with practice, I became better. I know that improvement is slow. A plant does not become a tree in one day. In the same way, language learning also takes time. I try to enjoy the process. I am becoming more confident now. Earlier, I was afraid of speaking English in front of other people. I worried that people would laugh at me. But now I understand that everyone starts as a beginner. I try to think in English. When I wake up, I tell myself, today is going to be a good day. When I eat food, I think, this food is delicious. When I go outside, I think, the weather is nice today. Thinking in English helps me improve faster. At first, my sentences were very short. Now I can make longer sentences. Day by day, I am getting better. I also read simple English books. I read slowly because I want to understand every sentence. Sometimes I find difficult words, but I do not stop reading. I check the meaning and continue. Reading teaches me new expressions. It also helps me understand sentence structure. When I read regularly, my vocabulary becomes stronger. I like learning new things. Every day is a chance to improve. Even a small step is important. If I learn one new word today, it is still progress. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I do not feel motivated. On such days, I remind myself why I started this journey. I want to become confident. I want to speak English comfortably. I know that successful people are consistent. They do not give up easily. So I also try to remain consistent. I practice a little every day. I spend some time listening to English conversations. I pay attention to pronunciation. I notice how people use simple words to express their ideas. I have learned that speaking simple English is better than not speaking at all. Many learners wait for perfect English. Because of this, they never start speaking. I do not want to make that mistake. I want to speak, even if my English is not perfect. Practice makes improvement possible. I also try to write short paragraphs in English. Writing helps me organize my thoughts. It also shows me which grammar rules I need to improve. Sometimes I write about my daily routine. Sometimes I write about my goals and dreams. Sometimes I write about my feelings. I want to become a confident English speaker. I want to communicate with people from different places. I want to understand English movies, books, and videos without difficulty. I know that confidence does not come automatically. It grows slowly through practice. Every small effort matters. I try to keep a positive attitude. Instead of saying, "My English is bad," I say, "My English is improving." Positive thinking gives me energy. Negative thinking only creates fear. I enjoy learning because every day I discover something new. One day I learn a new word. Another day I learn a new expression. Some days I improve my pronunciation. I have understood one important thing. Learning English is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people improve quickly. Some people need more time. That is completely normal. I do not compare myself with others. I compare myself with my old self. If I am better than I was last month, that means I am improving. I also try to use English in my daily life. When I see an object, I say its name in English. When I do something, I describe my actions in English. For example, I say, "I am drinking water." "I am opening the door." "I am washing my hands." These small activities help me practice naturally. I have realized that regular practice is more important than long practice. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day can create a big difference. I also listen to English songs. Sometimes I read the lyrics and try to understand their meaning. This makes learning enjoyable. I may still feel nervous sometimes, but I am becoming stronger. I may still have a long way to go, but I am moving in the right direction. That is enough for today. Tomorrow I will wake up again. I will drink water. I will smile. I will practice. I will learn. I will improve. And slowly, day by day, I will become the person I want to be.